Every microsecond people have been incurring, developing. Data is a new oil.
Yeah.
Without data, there is no existence.
Ambani also said like data is the new oil for the future. What are the building blocks? कि यार ये तो step number 1 है when the data starts making sense.
Without statistics and mathematics, no existence of data analytics. You know, most people, they're scared of whenever we will start some terminology like business analyst or something like machine learning, subcomputing, people will feel that it is, I should have a programming skill or something like that.
So would you send your own son to pursue data analytics? Alright, hi everyone, welcome on board. भाई मैं हमेशा एक line बोलता हूँ, if I would be married, if I would my own son or daughter, I would have made him put to a data analytics course. That could be from an IIM Bangalore, any top institution, or from Deakin, which is one of the first universities from Australia, which is set up in campus in India. मेरे साथ बैठे Dr. Vishdeep sir. Hi sir, welcome on board.
Hi.
Vishdeep sir is a professor of lecturer and a professor of statistics and data-driven decisions in Deakin University. Sir, I've read like $650 billion होने वाला है data analytics का business. So ये देख के तो लगता है सबको MS, MBA, data science में, data analytics में करनी चाहिए. What do you think?
Yes, like exactly. You know, like data, the future is data analytics. You know, like every second, every microsecond, people have been incurring, developing. Data is a new oil.
Yeah.
Without data, there is no existence.
Ambani also said like data is the new oil for the future. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Sir, but है क्या ये data analytics?
I will say like tomorrow it will rain. Will you accept that?
No.
Without facts, without any prediction, without any facts and figure, nobody is going to accept it, right? Intuition with data, people will accept.
What are the building blocks? कि यार ये तो step number 1 है when the data starts making sense.
Yes. So first thing is we should first understand what kind of data we are talking about. So, you know, as a layman, if people understand, like nowadays many buzzwords are coming. People are talking about data analyst, people are talking about the business analyst, people are talking about the financial analytics. But all together, they segregated data in a different forms. Like if people talk about the computer science, they understand data, structured form of data, unstructured form of data. But what business analyst does is they have to have a proper understanding about the data. If you want to work on a banking related field, so banking data is something different. If you will work on the financial analyst, we should have proper understanding about balance sheet, like operating profit. You should have an understanding about the cash flow statement.
तो business तो समझ आना चाहिए जो भी domain आप कर रहे हो, finance तो finance, marketing तो marketing, HR तो HR. Sir, does it start with the basics like mean, median, mode, stats?
Yes, exactly. Like as a teacher, I always recommend my students to learn about the basic statistics. Without statistics and mathematics, no existence of data analytics. We should have understanding about the basic statistics. Then only we will jump into the higher order model. If you will have a proper clarity on the statistics, basic data visualization tool, you know, most people, they're scared of whenever we will start some terminology like business analyst or something like machine learning, subcomputing, people will feel that it is, I should have a programming skill or something like that. But if you do not have the proper understanding about the data and proper understanding about the statistics altogether, proper understanding about what type of data you are dealing with, you cannot do a data analysis. Now people are talking about the storytelling, data visualization tool.
Yeah.
There are some tools like Power BI, Tableau, like they
Looker
talk
Studio
about
by Google.
Looker Studio also they work.
We use Looker Studio.
Yes, exactly.
And CATKing.
Now, data visualization is fine, right? We can do visualization, dashboard creation, but unless until we will make proper storytelling of it, who is going to understand? How we will make a business insight?
कोई एक example दो सर जो आपका favorite हो industry का example.
One more example I want to cite, like in like around 1800, like Napoleon has a troop of people. They have gone to Moscow. They visited Moscow. The entire thing has been drawn by people. Some people, they have drawn entire thing, how the strength of people they transferred from one place, what is the temperature, everything is drawn. But if I will show these things to somebody as a layman, what it will happen? They won't get anything. Like you won't understand that unless until suppose somebody will give proper story to that particular visualization, you won't able to relate it. How people have died with the temperature, how people have reached, how many people have reached to the destination. Entire thing should come with storytelling,
Understood.
and that should come with lot of business insights.
Let me give you a question, a problem statement, and tell me like what's the best way to figure out the right answer to this. ठीक है, इंडिया भी वर्ल्ड कप जीता सर, ठीक है, फाइनल तो ठीक ठाक था, बट वो सेमीफाइनल में एक बार तो लग रहा था कि हार जाएंगे वो, राइट, लास्ट देखिए आपने सारे मैचेस, राइट, बॉल बाय बॉल देखा होगा, तो वो मतलब 7 रन से ही हारे, इट वाज अ बिग स्कोर 350 प्लस. The problem statement is, would India win the next ICICI, ICCI T20 match 2026 चल रहा है अभी, 2028 में हम जीते ही नहीं. What are the parameters you would need to get to the right prediction?
No, look, being an analyst, we have to look into who are the players they are playing, okay, the bench. Then we will see about how much scores altogether they have done, what is the statistics, what is the betting average they have done. If we will see into the bowling aspects, what average, how many wickets the players they took, okay. Altogether, because we need some of the independent variables we should consider, the KPIs, some of the outcomes.
क्या होते हैं independent variables, just for the reference for everybody?
For example, like if there are statistics, right? If there are 12 countries people are playing all together in ICC events. Like if you will see the statistics all together, like India played with South Africa, independent events are there.
Achha,
India played with Australia, they are having independent. So many countries they are playing with each other, right?
Sir, your PhD was in gold, right?
I have done my PhD in gold exchange traded fund. Altogether, it is in behavioral finance and market sentiment.
Okay.
But what I have added into is like I have added a new model like data uncertainty. You might have heard about the data uncertainty in market also.
Yeah.
Like, you know, like in the finance field, like there are fundamental analysis, there are technical analysis. People say like, can anyone predict the stock price, how it will go?
Yeah.
Perfectly 100%.
Yeah.
We won't predict. Like, can you say like what will be the price of some company?
Yeah.
We cannot do that, right? With certainty, right?
Yeah.
Lot of uncertainty is there. We are having lot of models, right? So what I does is like I use those data altogether, the stock market price, historical data, even the investors' perception, and I applied it with other models like formal concept analysis, other models integrated, and we have checked how uncertainty works on those kind of things. If it is a behavioral finance aspects, how this behavior uncertainty works and we can predict. Even if it is a stock market case, how we can predict the stock market case altogether. So this is all about like uncertainties.
Sir, would you send your own son to pursue data analytics?
100%, like definitely, because I'm a fan, because you know, like I came from a complete, you know, the core branch.
Yeah.
Then after that I shifted to MBA.
Wow.
Then I realized what is the importance of data.
Wow.
And you know, throughout last like 13 years I have been learning and I am adding new content.
Very
you know, the when I was doing BTech, writing a code in C and C++, it requires a page of
Yeah, if you want to do it
and
yourself.
nowadays, you know, like R programming, Python is came, and R, you know, like each and statement you can understand, a layman can understand.
Got it.
Because that is what the beauty of data analytics. R is there, Python is came into the picture, where one single liner command also it is emerged. You don't need to remember the entire syntax altogether. A layman can understand. Even simultaneously, a lot of visualization tool also developed like Power BI, Tableau, Looker Studio, and all those things also came.
What's your advice to like people in the core jobs, like कोई marketing कर रहा है, कोई HR कर रहा है, कोई finance करना है? Should they also pick up, embrace analytics?
Exactly,
Yeah.
100%, because you know, the days are gone. You know, like if you are there, like lot many people they are giving a core marketing concept. You know, like how many people are doing masters in marketing? How many people you know in India approximately?
100 maybe.
100. How many college institutions are there? You just think in India.
Achha,
How many
I was saying marketing analytics, no?
no, only marketing.
Only marketing. Oh God, sir, 40 to 50% of the total audience.
Yes, exactly. You
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
If you want to stay in the market,
Yeah.
you should have proper understanding about. Yes, I won't deny that you should have a conceptual clarity of marketing, but you should have additional knowledge about the
True.
analytics.
So that you're different and you've got
Yes.
both. But yeah. और एक सर, I'm really enjoying this conversation. But what's your parting thoughts with all these great people? सर एक कोई IIM Bangalore Analytics कोर्स ज्वाइन करेगा, कोई यूएस जाके पढ़ाई करेगा, पर्ड्यू यूनिवर्सिटी कोर्स वन ऑफ द गुड कोर्स इन यूएस है, और कहीं शायद आपके साथ आके पढ़ रहा होगा डीकन यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर एज योर स्टूडेंट. व्हाट्स योर एडवाइस टू ऑल दीज 21-23-year-old? ये भी सर सोच रहे हैं कि एमबीए तो करना है, एमएस तो करना है, कई लोग एमबीए सोच रहे हैं, कई लोग एमएस सोच रहे हैं, बट डेटा एनालिटिक्स इनके दिमाग में तो मैंने डाल दिया है. बट व्हाट्स योर टेक, क्या करना चाहिए लाइफ के अंदर?
लाइफ में देखो, एनालिटिक्स इज द वाइटल थिंग्स, बिकॉज विदाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ डेटा वी कैनॉट सर्वाइव. So don't think that lot of programming stops are there. We should have first understanding about the data, okay? Along with that statistical knowledge, some of the tools always it is required, like we start with Excel, advanced Excel. Along with that, some of the programmings we do teach like R, Python, and don't forget SQL is very important, and it is not like something like advanced level we will have to remember all the queries. So we do teach SQL, Pentao integration, lot of stuffs we are doing so that a layman can understand it, but we should go step by step. First understanding of data, then we should go into the understanding of the conceptual clarity, so that we should not focus more on only the intuition based decision making. We will add intuition along with the data so that a proper decision making will come, people will accept your thought, and finally data visualization and storytelling. Don't forget that.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. So boys and girls, with this, do it on the like button for sure. और मुझे कमेंट करके बताइएगा what do you guys think about data analytics? Are you guys thinking future in that? If yes, type in your profile, 10th के number, 12th के number, graduation, maths किया है, नहीं किया, and I'll review your profiles and give feedback whether the data analytics is the course for you. But now people are going towards this in a big fashion because AI का भी जो बेसर backbone है वो तो data ही है सारा.
Exactly.
All right, boys and girls, see you in the comment section. Thank you, sir. Really humbled to have you on board. Thank you so much. Take care, sir. Bye-bye.